Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, depending on where you are. I'm Toussaint and this is Prince.
And today we're doing the same video as yesterday, but with a little bit of different twist. Whoever gets an answer correct, they get to pick whichever snack they want from this bundle over here. And we just hope you enjoy the video and share to your friends and like and subscribe.
And if you want to see more content like this, please make sure to support us so we know that you really want this content. Thank you.
Alright, Mom, you can get us started with the first question.
Okay, ikibazo cya mbere ngiye kukibaza umwana witwa Toussaint. Mwaramutse mu cyongereza babivuga gute?
Mu cyongereza?
Good morning.
Oh, nice.
Okay,
Prince. Mwiriwe.
Mwiriwe.
In English.
Ama.
How are
Mwiriwe. Mu cyongereza basubiza gute?
You don't know?
Mwiriwe.
If he can't do it, then I say, okay?
Yeah, you have to answer.
Mwiriwe. Good evening.
Nice.
Good evening.
Yes.
I thought it's how are you?
I'm gonna leave these two sausages.
Hanyuma icya gatatu.
Friends.
Muramuke.
Muramuke. Stay well or be well.
No.
Good night.
Yes.
I'm good.
I'm so glad.
Stop it. Amakuru mwiriramwe. Amakuru mwiriramwe, Prince.
Amakuru mwiriramwe.
Can I ask something? Yeah. Amakuru, is it good morning?
No. Amakuru ni how are you?
How are you?
How have you?
Goja, repeat it in
Kenya.
Amakuru mwiriramwe.
How are
you?
How have you been?
Okay, next.
Me?
Umwaka mushya. Toussaint.
Umwaka
mushya.
Date of birth.
Wambwiye ngo wambwiye ngo ngwaze mu Kinyarwanda urasubiza mu Cyongereza.
Sir, I don't.
Umwaka mushya.
Mushya.
Umwaka mushya. In Kiingereza.
Don't know.
Prince?
New Year.
Yes.
You copied yo.
Ninde mbaza Prince?
Me too.
Okay, amakuru y'umuryango.
Amakuru
y'umuryango.
How is the dome? How are you people? How are all of you?
How's your family?
Yes.
How's your family?
Yes.
You cooked around taking everything, right?
Ninde njya kwaza?
France. Toussaint kandi.
Urabeho.
Ukaje? How are you? How have you been? Ngo?
Urabeho. Yeah.
You look beautiful. Urabeho.
Yes.
This is Jui.
Goodbye or be well.
Goodbye.
No, mommy, he copied us.
No, hajaangalia hata kwa simu. Wewe ndio umeangalia like. Serious hajashika. Okay. Amakuru yawe.
How are you?
Okay. No. Prince, ujiye hehe.
Where are you going?
Hey?
I'm taking all the lollipops.
Tugiye gukoresha. Next. Next in nine. You are
you're recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, isafuriya. Kinyarwanda. Isafuriya.
I say in Kinyarwanda.
Mu Cyongereza. Kera maze kukivuga mu Kinyarwanda urabivuga mu Cyongereza.
I don't know in English.
Isafuriya.
I just know sufuria.
In English?
English, Miss Joanne.
Are you sure?
Maybe I Google. Even the teachers don't know at our school. I go.
So tungoje.
Yeah, I go check. So I Googled, and from my sources, I found it's called a pot.
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 Okay. So hiyo wewe yani hujajua.
Yes.
Okay, next. Ijikombe.
But I tried. I think.
No, you are not.
But even
Google yakufashisha.
Google.
Google yakufashisha. Tora
She
prince.
didn't ask. She asked it.
Aha, Toussaint. Ichimamiyo.
Ichima.
Ikimamiyo. You can Google, it's okay.
Let me think.
Googles, he
First.
loses.
Okay.
If he Googles, he loses.
Yeah.
But you don't take, because also
Yeah.
him.
But I guess cup.
Ingo.
Ichimamiyo.
Ichimamio. I don't know.
Toussaint. Tunaweza kimamiyo ni ichi?
Iki?
Kimamiyo. Beleke tanti. What is that?
What is that?
What is that? Nichi nini?
Serving spoon.
Serving spoon?
Yeah.
Or cook spoon?
Cooking spoon. Serving
spoon.
spoon.
Alright.
Step
Umuko. Umuko.
Is it like
The thing you used to make bread. That's
Okay, never mind. Ibakure.
Ibakure. It's me, right?
Yeah, Ibakure.
Ibakure. Wow, these are hard.
Ibakure prince.
be far?
You?
Being far. Kure means far, right? Bowl.
Yeah.
It's a bowl.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ubuto.
Ubuto.
Prince.
We'll pass it over to Toussaint.
Prior to some.
Spoon.
Ubuto.
Fork. Knife.
We tobos. If you don't know, don't come as tomboza. Ifok, ifrusheti, ifetui. Yeah. Ubuto.
Ubuto.
Is
So I
it?
get one chance.
Yeah.
Is it food?
Yeah. It's like kind of food.
Oh, seed. Ubuto. Like, you know, you're opening a fruit. There's seed inside. No.
Prince.
Yeah.
And anyway,
Kanani.
oil.
Oil.
For cooking. Ubuto.
Ifurusheti. Nindo atsinzwe.
Goose.
Ifurusheti.
Fork.
Ah.
That's
Okay.
Shut up.
Gaho mubire.
Oh yeah, okay. Thank you for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want more videos like this, please let us know down in the comments below and help us reach our goal of 1K subscribers. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Peace.